This is a 2014 Corvette, which is similar to some other years. We are going to show you how to remove the display touch screen. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only. The tools that you need is a size 7mm socket, this yellow panel removal, and then a Torx screwdriver size T25. The first step, you need to remove the armrest. It has just a hinge. It has 2 screws. You just remove the screws and then you can put your armrest away. And the next step, you pop up the panel around the shifter and make sure your shifter in the neutral position. You just pop it up and just pull it backward a little bit, and then you pop this side panel and then you put it on the side. Now we pop the panel on the passenger side. They don't have any screws, just need to insert your panel removal and just pop it off. And now you pop this whole bezel around the dashboard. This one does not have any screws, just the clips only. Now we remove all these 7 screws for this trim plate. And then you put this one on the side. Now we are going to remove the panel around the whole cluster assembly. It has like about screws on the top you need to remove. I think it's like about 6 screws. And once you get all these screws out, and then you can remove the whole panel out. And make sure you disconnect all the connector in the back of this panel before you remove it. Now to get the monitor out, you need to remove these 4 screws. It's actually 6 of them. 3 on the driver's side and then 3 on the passenger side. And once you get the screws out, you can tilt the whole monitor toward yourself and then get it up, because there is a bracket right in front of the monitor. It's part of the car and the center console. In order to remove the monitor, just tilt it and just pull it forward, and that's it. And if you need any repair for the monitor or the touch screen, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.